How to change your size on Amazon. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your size on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Amazon. Make sure that you're logged in into your Amazon, and after you've logged in into your Amazon, what you'll need to do is head over to the three lines that is on the bottom. Tap on the three lines and there you should find account on the top. Tap on account and head over to your settings. You can directly head over to the account section that is on the bottom as well. After you do that, scroll down. After you scroll down, you'll find a section that says personalized content. Under personalized content, you will need to head over to your shopping preferences. Tap on your shopping preferences and there you will see clothing and shoes. Just tap on the drop down button and there you will find your height and weight. From here you can just tap on the height and weight and tap on add. Now you can change if you have already added it as well, and after that you can just type in your height. So let me just type in my height, and after you type in your height you can type in your weight as well. So after you type in that, you can tap on the save button and it will just save your new size on Amazon. And that's how you do it guys, and that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.